you can, if you're just starting out, you can cure after each petal that you're happy with.
You can.
And then move on to the next one, or you can wait like Nancy did too. You can do it either way. Oh, I just realized I had more crystals in this bag. Huh?
And I'm using condensed glue gel. And I might miss a lot of questions because I keep focused on the nails right here.
I know, I'm trying to watch them. I can see them all. Unless I froze. I think I'm still good. My other tablet's froze. That I gotta replace that.
Okay, so and I'm going to using a no wipe top coat. Flowing on the top of the unclear condensed glue gels. I feel like early today, I'm trying to do it earlier, but I was working and help so many orders.
Because I left you.
And I know, right? You shouldn't. How could you do that to me?
I know. You're good. Give me one. And little dog's just like, play with me, play with me.
And I'm using this is so adorable. Shape Perfect Hearts. It's come in your 4-color kits. You have so many crimson to work with.
Right there.
Look what I have. I have the frames earlier that I cut. I think I can use this. I tuck it right between.
That looks so cute. I just love adding all the metal pieces. I don't know that there's a nail, unless a customer requests to not have it, that I don't put metal pieces in. I'll show you my nails. I'll show it one at a time because then you can see. Look at. So this one has, this is all of our brand new acrylic. This is number 19 on the back here. And then the tip of these here are number 27. This whole nail is number 19. This one is actually a crystal clear. And then it's embedded with, you get, when you get our acrylic bundle, you also get this glitter in there. And then sneak peek at part of the Valentine's treasure box, you get these hearts in there. So there's these big hearts. They're so gorgeous. I don't know if I can turn my finger, but look at how shiny they are. And a crystal clear, you can see is crystal clear right over that heart. So that's one hand. And it's so zoomed in, oh my goodness. And then look at. But they're just so adorable. And let me get them both in a little bit. And then my thumbs. But it's lots of stickers, some transfer foil, weaver gel. Weaver just did kind of everything. Because I'm a little extra. But then I love this. This is just it's like a top of a ring. You can see from the edge. It just gets set right on your nail, but it sits right into the condensed glue gel.
Mm-hmm.
Give me your ball. Where's your ball? Give it to me. I can't bend over. Come here. He's like looking at it. He won't get it, but I'm on a bar stool, so I can't reach the ground. But then, so you guys learn a lot from us on all of our videos. But if you want to learn in person, we're actually having a class. That's what I'm going back down for on the 23rd. So we're going to have a class in Pensacola on January 24th and 25th. You can sign up for one day or both days. Each day that you sign up, you get $200 in products free. So if you do both days, you get $400 in products. But then you leave, so everything that we teach you will give you products to use so that you can go home and practice and be able to do what you did in the class. So it's going to be super exciting. I cannot wait. But you'll learn acrylic, liquid and powder. We're going to go over powder dipping and gel
Acrylic.
polish, electric, e-file shaping, application of acrylic just so that you learn the proper bead, proper wetness, how to do all the custom shapes where you're going to do stiletto, oval, mountain peak, and coffin. But if you want more information on that, it's right on our website. Just go to glitzaccessoryandsuch.com, click on the menu button and go to classes, and you'll see it's the first one posted right there. But you guys, the tickets to get down there, if you're not close, the tickets to get to Pensacola right now are so cheap. I fly from Michigan for like $235. So then I get to see my bestie all the time.
Yeah, it's not, and then the airport is it's not crowded with all people.
My flight out of Charlotte, I think, was maybe 1/3 full back to Detroit. And so we got to move up. Some people were able to move up to first class. I'm like, oh, I didn't realize because I got on so late and I seen people moving. I said, I said, are they letting you sit wherever you want? They said, yeah. I said, oh, I just passed the first class section. I could have moved up for free.
Probably it's like, which is good though. It's not full, then it's safe.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't travel over the holiday because the holiday, it would have been so busy.
But this might be packed.
I got my oil. And my cuticles are so dry because we were working so hard. But so this is from Hey Dom. It is Eden's Oasis Elixir of Life. So if you want this, you can get it on her. You can just probably DM her at Hey Dom, do my nails.
Look, mine's almost gone.
I know. She's so crazy. But my cuticles will just drink this up. They're so dry. I worked in so many boxes, so much paper this weekend.
And your nails still last.
Oh my gosh, you guys, if I would have broken nail, Nancy would have been like, Piggy.
I'm gonna kill her.
I was so careful.
So it doesn't matter, you can add it on more or you can stop it there. It looks so cool. And I love the looks with all the frames. And we are just needed. It just simply flash key it before you put it on. The reason it is I don't want to moving or shifting during takeoff and landing, you know. And then that's the second nails. And this is the first one. I don't know which one you like. I like them all. I'm in the mood frames right now.
I like them both. You know, I love frames. I have so many.
This make it look so just not plain at all. You can either like doing a simple nails with frame. It looks so gorgeous. Or you can do it with incorporate with a lot of others. You can do it on the liquid and powders, ombre, and encapsulate there. Encapsulate, and then this is the third look. The first, second, and the third. One more look for tonight.
They're so gorgeous.
I don't know.
I'm thinking I like that one on the far right the best. I don't know. They're all beautiful.
They're all beautiful though.
I just really